For those who do not know, these are the two tasks which are different in PTE Core Exam. Where exactly do you need to practice for the PTE Core Exam? From where do you need to practice for the PTE Core Exam? This is something which I'm going to tell in this video today. Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and in this video we are going to discuss where exactly do you need to practice for the PTE Core Exam. So basically what happens when you're thinking of preparing of the PTE Core Exam, so the material is not available everywhere at this point of time. If you search APEUni.com, AlfaPTE.com, be it TCY, you are not going to find the exact material or the authentic material for email writing and respond to a situation. For those who do not know, these are the two tasks which are different in PTE Core Exam. So in the PTE academic exam, we have total of 20 tasks, whereas in the PTE Core Exam, we have total of 19 tasks. So we have email writing in the PTE Core Exam instead of essay writing. We have respond to a situation in the PTE Core Exam instead of retell lecture in the PTE academic. Now, what happens when you need to practice for these two tasks? Not many options are available. So, which is the authentic source? From where do you need to practice for the PTE Core Exam? This is something which I am going to tell in this video today. So, जैसा कि मैंने बताया, we have tcy.com, we have AlfaPTE, and we have APEUni. For example, let's go on to TCY as well. Okay. So we have TCY here. We also have APEUni and we have alphapte.com. So let's look at APEUni.com. When we are talking about APEUni.com, here we have PTE practice material, but we have the PTE practice material for the PTE academic exam only. Read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, answer short questions, summarize written text, write essay. We do not have respond to a situation and email writing here. So that means APEUni is not an option right now. But if you do not know, I have already created one video in which I have explained you the difference between APEUni and AlfaPTE. I have explained you which one is better when it comes to the practice of the PTE exam. But here for the PTE core exam, this option is not available. But for PTE academic, which one is better? You can go and check above. You are going to find the link in the description as well, and you'll find the link above too. So in that video I have explained the difference. But फिर भी अगर एक बेसिक में आइडिया यहाँ पे आपको दूं तो what exactly is it? For example, यहाँ पे we are doing a particular task and let's say we do repeat sentence. Okay, let's take any repeat sentence part.
Students from different
So let's take the first one. So now I have increased the volume, turned up the volume.
Students from different backgrounds can achieve a variety of qualifications.
Students from different backgrounds can achieve a variety of qualifications. Okay, but here we did not say anything because I was explaining you the part, but the main motive is to see the analysis, see the way they evaluate you. So let's submit it. Okay, obviously we'll not be getting scores here because we did not answer it. We were just focusing on explaining. Volume, turned up the volume, listen to that's what I was doing. We were just shooting. So now I have increased the volume, turned up the volume, listen to the same. Okay. So if we look at it here, we got 44. Students from different backgrounds can achieve a variety of qualifications. So now the point is, we were just focusing on the explanation part. We did not speak. We got the score. That doesn't matter because my main motive here in this video is to explain you the difference. Okay. Now if you look at it here, you can see the proper scoring. Okay, in the content part we got 82 out of 90. Okay, which is a good score because we were able to use every single word, but we added some random words. So that's what Pronunciation 46 out of 90 because we were speaking so many words in between. But what they do, they give you proper explanation. That's what we want. Fluency, again, proper explanation. Okay. Now, if we look at it here, click on the colored text to check score details. So let's say, okay, the word has been omitted, qualifications. Okay, UK and US pronunciation. You can check this as well. Now, bad pronunciation, correction needed. So what do they want us to speak?
Uh.
Hmm. So they want us to say it not a. That's why. So they are going to tell you everything in detail. That's what we want. They'll tell you bad, ठीक है, they'll tell you average, good, and then also they're going to explain it properly. But the same is not in the case of AlfaPTE. That is the only reason when it comes to the practice part, I always recommended all my learners to go for APEUni.com, because in the APEUni part, you are going to get proper evaluations. Okay, here you will get to know every single thing, whether you are facing problem in the content part or in the fluency or pronunciation. So that's what you want, है ना? Detailed feedback, अगर properly feedback चाहिए तो APUni is far better. Okay, बट जब हम अल्फा पीटीई की बात करते हैं या टीसीवाई की बात करते हैं, यहाँ पे जो मेन मोटिव है हमारी वीडियो का, डेट इज कि पीटी कोर की एग्जाम की तैयारी हम कहाँ से करें. सो फॉर द पीटी कोर एग्जाम, इवन इफ यू गो फॉर TCY online.com, you are not going to get a lot of things. So basically नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पे भी ज्यादा ऑप्शन अभी. स्टिल they are doing certain things. Okay, they are adding some new material, so it is going to take time. So now coming to the AlfaPTE thing. अब AlfaPTE में here we have, let's go to the practice part, and you are going to see PTE Academic. You will also see PTE Core. Simply click on PTE Core. You are going to see write email and respond to a situation. So here you can go to the write email option. So when we clicked on write email option, you are going to see all these options. Abhi they do not have many, but they still have a lot of questions as compared to any other practice website available. Okay, so if you look here, sustainability methods. Okay, here they have given us a question and we have 9 minutes to answer this question. Your city's young adults need to know more about sustainability methods. Therefore, you are excited to volunteer for with a local environmental organization. Send Dr. Joshua, a member of this, an email outlining 3 programs you would want to see implemented to encourage more young adults. So now the point is, they have told you 3 main things that you have to mention. So with the help of my template, you can easily score 15 out of 15 in the email writing part. Okay, so that is definitely possible because we are trying this. We have been practicing a lot and we have seen the results, be it on the alphapte.com paid version or on TCY as well. So we have the paid version of TCY as well. So we have tried it there also. So we are getting 15 out of 15 with the help of that template. अब अगर आप चाहते हो that I should provide you that template, do let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely come up with the video of the email writing template very soon. And that template is proven. You need not to do anything. You need to simply fill in the blanks. You simply need to fill in the keywords, fill in the important points. Rest everything is done. The vocabulary part is done, punctuation part is done, the word limit part is done, everything is done. So you just need to focus on adding the keywords from the question. So that means you have to read the question carefully. For example, I received a call from one of our students only and she was saying, ma'am, I'm not able to get a good score and respond to a situation. I'm using the same template you told. Okay, so I checked her answer and that time I got to know she used the template properly, but she did not use the keywords from the question, and because of the same she was not able to score. So I sent her a voice message, start using the keywords from the question. So she used the keywords from the question, sent me the answer again, and she told me that she scored 15 out of 15. Okay, so that's whatever the score is, you're going to get full marks in respond to a situation as well as writing email. You just need to use the template. So I'm going to share the same in the upcoming videos of mine. Do let me know in the comment section if you want the template. Now Rest everything is done. You know where exactly do you need to practice from, but from alphapte.com you can practice it like such. But for the proper paid evaluation, I would suggest you to go for the paid evaluation one. You can go for 10 days package. Okay, it includes PTE Core as well and PTE Academic. You can go for 30 days and it is going to include everything. So you'll get proper evaluation of email writing and respond to a situation, and that is currently available only on alphapte.com, not anywhere else. So you just need to pay for it if you want to go for it, because otherwise you are not going to get the evaluations. You will just get the questions. You have to write the answers on your own and nobody will be there to guide you. But if you still need any help related to the PTE core exam, you can simply contact us on the numbers given below and we'll be there to help you with our one-on-one assistance, one-on-one classes. So I'm pretty sure with the help of this session, I was able to give you the proper idea of the preparation material of PTE core exam. And I know you are going to crack the PTE core exam with the desired scores. So see you in the next video. And if you want me to create content on some other video, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and Sat Sri Akal.